Welcome to the Property Investors YouTube channel, which I believe to be the richest, rawest and realest property investors resource on the whole of the internet.
Hi, my name's Samuel Leeds here. Samuel Leeds.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Today's a good day. This is, hopefully, our YouTube plaque. Before I get super emotional and give a speech, I'm going to open it just to make sure that it definitely is what I think it is. So very recently we hit 100,000 subscribers. This came to my house, but I just could not open it at home without you guys because I know that this is like a team effort. So I've dreamed about this day for so long. This is basically a gift from YouTube when you hit 100,000 subscribers. Are you guys ready? It's quite heavy. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astounding 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Yes! We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you in all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, you do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations, Susan, CEO at YouTube. Amazing. Oh, wow.
There it is.
This looks great. We've got all these little tokens and stuff. This is nice. All right. Presented to Samuel Leeds. Fantastic. Oh, guys, man, thank you. You guys are amazing. This is great. Wow. I just don't know. We should maybe put it in the office or should we put it in the studio? I don't even know.
Do you remember creating your first video?
I do remember creating my first video. Yeah, I remember. I used to create videos on my iPhone, and then when more and more people wanted to see more and more videos, took on Nick full time, and then after that we started taking on more and more videographers. Listen, man, I just want to say I'm really pleased with this. I know it doesn't seem like a massive deal, but to me and to us, it's a massive achievement because of what it signifies and what it represents, which is not just 100,000 subscribers, but 100,000 people who care about the content that we put out. And yeah, we're not going to stop, man. We're not going to stop. We're going to keep putting out content. And I think as well, because we've now got 100,000 subscribers, we can justify doing crazy things now. Like, spending crazy money on social experiments, doing more financial freedom challenges, putting out videos every single day. So I guess I really think the real hero in all of this is not just the team. It's certainly not me, but it's you guys for watching and following and commenting. Because without you guys, this would without people that watch the videos, this wouldn't happen. So massive respect to you guys who are subscribed. Really humbled, really grateful. Not going to stop anytime soon. Going to keep putting out content to you guys because I believe that everybody can be financially free in property, and I'm just going to keep singing that song and keep showing people that it is possible. I don't know when, but certainly for the foreseeable future. So you guys rock. You guys rock as well. Thank you so much. And yeah, man, I got nothing else to say other than peace out. Thank you. If you're not subscribed, subscribe below. Keep binge watching the videos, and I hope to see you in person soon as well. If you see me in the street, come and shake my hand, grab a picture. If you see me at an event, then you're a rock star as well. So I'm gonna leave a link. If you want to meet me in person and want to meet the team, I'm gonna leave a link as well below where you can come on down to some of our events, which are free on the house. We put out a lot of free stuff, free YouTube videos, free books, free courses, just because we really are on a mission, and that is to inspire and help people to be successful in property. And remember, your success is my oxygen. So thanks so much. I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Cheers.